then the wind suddenly hits. The parents of the kids brought them back in, luckily just in time. The hairstylist was at the door. She had it open, and her hat gets pulled outside. The door gets ripped from her hand, and that's when we were all like, oh, something is definitely wrong. And the trees across the street there, you could just see the branches suddenly leave them, like it was like a dandelion, like just left, and then everything was getting blown that way. Cars were suddenly moving. You could see the traffic lights just leave the poles. And suddenly everything started turning. The wind went the opposite direction, and that's when we were like, this is a tornado or something like that. Suddenly the sun was out and the rain stopped, and we all ran outside, and there was a truck flipped over in the medium divide. There was a big van flipped over next to the bus stop. There was 2 or 3 cars flipped over in this parking lot, and more, and you could see power lines hanging out in the street. People were injured, and so everyone started running into the street, running to the cars, pulling people out. There was we started dragging branches out of the street when the emergency vehicles were coming, and to kind of create room, and everyone was kind of in a state of like, should I get in my car and drive away, or should I help out, or what do I do? And we all kind of did our best for as long until emergency arrived. Yeah.